Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tech tutorial on how to turn on or off the Fn lock on your Windows PC in 2025. If you're dealing with a laptop or keyboard where the function keys aren't behaving as expected, you're in the right place. The Fn lock is a handy feature that lets you switch between standard function keys and their secondary functions, like volume control or brightness adjustments, without constantly holding the Fn key. First, let's quickly cover what Fn lock does. On most keyboards, the Fn key is used to access secondary functions on keys like F1 through F12. When Fn lock is enabled, you can use those secondary functions directly, which is a real-time saver for everyday tasks. To get started, locate the Fn key on your keyboard. It's usually at the bottom left, next to the Control key. Now, the most common way to toggle Fn lock is by pressing the Fn key along with the ESC key. That's right. Just hit Fn plus ESC, and it should switch the lock on or off. You'll often see a little lock icon on the ESC key to indicate this. Keep in mind that this can vary depending on your keyboard brand and Windows version. For example, on Dell laptops, you might need to press Fn plus F12, while Lenovo users could use Fn plus F10. If the keyboard shortcut doesn't work, head into Windows Settings. Go to Start, Settings, Devices, Keyboard, and look for any options related to function keys or hotkeys. In Windows 11 or later, you might find a specific toggle under Accessibility or Advanced Keyboard Settings. Once you've made the change, test it out by pressing a function key, like F5 for refresh, and see if it behaves as expected. If you're still having trouble, make sure your keyboard drivers are up to date. Check Device Manager for any updates. That's all there is to it. Turning on or off Fn lock is a simple way to customize your typing experience. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.